So, on a floured surface that we've got prepped over here, we've got our gnocchi dough out. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you the second stage, okay, probably the more complicated stage, which is still quite simple, is we are going to make the gnocchi shapes. First thing you need to do is to get your dough into a nice round shape, and then we're going to cut it into quarters. So as you can see, we've rolled our 1/4 of our gnocchi dough out into a long sort of tube, if you like, and it's about 2 centimeters, just under an inch sort of thick. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to cut it into gnocchi size pieces. And there we go. So we got about 19 to 20 pieces of gnocchi out of that. And to be honest with you, you can cook that like that. But what we want to do really is to shape it. Now you can do this in a couple of ways. Traditional ways to have like a gnocchi board, which is a ribbed sort of board where you can roll the gnocchi up and you get sort of like a spiral line on it. But what I'm going to do, because I don't make this every single day, and you're probably not going to either, is I'm going to do it with a fork. So get yourself a fork and I'll show you the technique to actually marking this gnocchi up. And what we're going to do with that, once that gnocchi has been shaped, is we're going to just throw it onto the chopping board with a semolina, so it gets a nice sort of semolina coating, which adds a little bit more of a texture to the finished product. Okay, let me show you what you need to do. We're going to use a standard fork, okay? This is just a normal fork that you've probably got in your cutlery drawer. And the idea is you get a piece of gnocchi and you're going to put it onto the top of the fork. And then what we'll do with your thumb, press it down so you get the marks and the gnocchi goes a bit flat, and then roll him off the fork and he should come out looking pretty cool. And you know, it doesn't really make that much difference what sort of a shape it comes out in, but you want it to look as good as possible. So we'll do the rest of these, and remember, keep flouring your fork.